Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I have tried to create this look. This is a recreation of Hania Aamir's current look from her recent TV show. I hope you all enjoy this look. Let me know about your thoughts in the comments. So let's get started. To create Hania Aamir's look, first we need to prepare our skin. So first we need to moisturize our skin. So I'm using this moisturizer that I use regularly. Then I'm going to apply this lotion from Vaseline. Now before applying anything, I'm going to contour my face. As Hania Aamir has a very small face, but I have this double chin and also round face, so I'm just going to contour very little amount. So I'm going to use this cream contour from Glam. This one is called Hania Aamir. So I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones and my nose. This is a perfect shade for me for contouring. As you can see, my face looks much more slimmer than previous. So I have not applied any foundation yet. I have just done contouring before applying any foundation or anything. Now that our contouring is done, I'm going to apply liquid blush on my cheeks. So I'm basically going to use this water tint from Etude, and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks and on my nose. So I'm going to apply it slightly upward and blend. It might look crazy now, but trust the process. We are going to apply all the products before applying any foundation. So I'm going to apply quite a lot of blush on the nose. I know it's looking absolutely crazy right now, but all this color will fade away after we apply our foundation. So now before applying my foundation, I'm just going to spot conceal this pimple mark. So I'm going to use a concealer that is my skin shade. This one is from Makeup Evolution. This shade number is C8. Now we have to prepare our foundation. So for foundation, first I'm going to add this illuminator. This one is Sunburst Glow Mixer. This is from Glam, and this is in the shade Fair Neutral. So I'm taking a very small amount of it on the back of my hand. This will help create that skin glow that comes within, that we see in Hania's skin. And then I'm going to add my regular foundation. So I'm using this Wet n Wild Dewy foundation. So I'm going to take a very small amount because Hania doesn't look that she used a lot of foundation. So I'm taking like a very small amount of foundation with this illuminator. So you can see I have like 1 drop of foundation and 1 drop of illuminator. We can see that Hania has a very clear skin and it glows. So it seems like she doesn't use actually foundation, but she uses some kind of tint. As I don't have any tint, I'm going to make a tint. So with this foundation, to create the tint like consistency, I'm going to mix this Vaseline Glutathione lotion. A very small amount, not a lot. So I'm using like this drop, maybe a little less, like this amount of. Now take it and mix everything on the back of your hand, okay? Mix it until it looks something like this. So now we have our skin tint ready, and now I'm going to take this brush. I'm not going to need this amount of foundation for my face. So I'm just simply going to take my foundation brush and take my foundation on it on a very small layer. And now I'm going to start applying it from the very bottom of my face to the up. And you see the glow in the foundation, and you can build it, okay? It not necessarily it has to be one layer. You can build the coverage, but make sure you doesn't hide the entire blush. Can you see we have a glowing natural looking skin with like a inner blush? It looks like our skin is naturally blushing. We haven't applied any blush. That's what Hania Aamir's skin look like. Now I have to conceal my under eye as I have a little bit of dark circle. I'm going to use this concealer from Glam. This one is in the shade Butterscotch. No, this one is in the shade Buttercream. Sorry, not Butterscotch. This is a very brightening shade. I have to be very careful while applying it. Now I'm going to blend my concealer with a brush. Now you can see that extra shine on my face is gone. So to set my face, I'm going to use this Glam translucent setting powder. So I'm taking the second. I have literally destroyed my face. Okay, take your fluffy brush and also take this translucent powder all over your brush. Tap of the excess powder and then gently apply it on your face. Okay, we are not going to press very hard. Just gently apply it. Now that my face is set, I'm going to set my under eye. To set my eyes, I'm going to use this puff, and I'm going to take the same loose powder. Okay, and I'm going to tap off all the excess powder on the puff. Now that your entire face has been set, take this fluffy brush and dust off all the excess powder from the face. Okay, so we are directly going to the eyes. So for eyes, I'm going to use this Morphe palette. This is 35T or the sweetest tea. From this palette, I'm going to use this golden shade. This one is called Sip Sip on my brow bone. Take this golden shadow and apply it. Okay, we're going to take the same shade and apply it in our inner corner. So for pink, we are going to use this one. This is called Such a Flirt. Very softly apply it on our crease because this shadow is very pigmented. We are going to apply it all over our eyelid. Okay, so now to our lid, we are going to apply this one. This is called Sugar Me. So I'm going to use my finger to this shadow and gently press it on my lid. Okay, just press. Now that our shimmer eyeshadow is done, we are just going to take our previous brush and blend this shimmer with the previous pink shadow so that there is no harsh line. So take a fluffy brush like this and take this shadow and using this beauty palette, and this is number 4. So take this and apply it on your under eye. Okay, so that it will look bright. Now take your face powder brush, the fluffy one, and just smooth it out. Okay, now we are going to create the wing. So take any pencil eyeliner or pen eyeliner. I'm using this gel pen eyeliner from Flormar. We are going to create a straight wing. So we are going to create a straight wing from the corner of our eye to like this much around the eyelid. So just pull a straight line first like this, and then connect it with your eyelash. Now we need to tightline our eyes. And now we are going to apply a nude eyeliner on our waterline. So I'm using this nude eyeliner from Beauty Glazed. Now we are going to curl our eyelashes. Now before applying mascara, I'm going to set my eyebrows and highlight my cheeks. So Hania has actually very brown eyebrows, but I have black eyebrows. So let's first brush our eyebrows with a spoolie. So take the spoolie and brush it out. So I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution contour palette, and from this palette I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow, this brown contour shade to set my brows. Take your time with your brows, it's fine. I don't speak Urdu, but I should try, right? क्या मैं हानिया जैसी लग रही हूँ? Okay, so now it's time for applying mascara. So I'm using my favorite mascara. Oops, sorry, I forgot to apply my highlighter. So I'm going to apply this highlighter, my favorite one, on my cheeks and on my nose. Create a dot, okay, and then blend it so that it also shines from this side and from this side. And I'm going to bring this to half of my bridge of the nose, okay, so that my nose will give a shine but it won't hide the blush. And now for the cheeks, we are going to blend our highlighter with our blush, and we are going to apply it to the high points of our cheeks. Hania's cheek look very glowy from any side, any point. She is so pretty, mashallah. She visited Bangladesh and she is so sweet. I have seen her videos. Rub your highlighter like this, okay? And why? So that it will look like your skin is glowing. There is no harsh line with your blush. And I'm also going to apply it a bit on my temple. I'm using my favorite Maybelline Lash Sensation mascara. This is a very long lasting waterproof mascara. Try to put your mascara as close your eyelash root as possible and drag it upward and separate your lashes. Now that you have applied mascara, just take your wand, okay, brush your eyelash and hold it upwards. Just hold it for a few seconds. Now you can see it is set. Now we are going to apply mascara to our bottom eyelash. I'm taking another mascara. This one is from Technique. This is Mega Lash, and I'm going to apply it on my lower eyelash. Okay, so I'm taking this nude lip liner from Beauty Glazed, and I'm going to line my lips. She actually joins her cupid bows, so we are going to do that. I'm going to use this one. This is called Rose Crust from Beauty Glazed. I'm going to just outline my lips. Now that we have lined our lips with a pink lip liner, I'm just going to smudge it a bit so that it looks a bit natural. I have smudged the liner, so now it will look much more natural. And now I need to apply a pink lipstick. So I'm going to use this one. This is called Peaches and Cream from Swiss Beauty. This one is this beautiful pink color, which looks like Hania's shade. So I'm just going to apply it. But Hania's center of the lips looks much more pinkier than her entire lips. So for that, I'm going to use this one. This is called Red Wine. This is a lip liner from beauty glazed, and I'm going to just simply create a mark like this. It looks a lot pinkier in the center. So I'm going to use this lip gloss, which is just a clear lip gloss, and I'm going to apply a small amount on the top of my lips and the center of my lips. So this is it. This is the look. Now let's see how it looks with my open hair. So this is my take on Hania Aamir's look. So I have tried to recreate her look.